way that you feeling is killing these niggas will fear you the scarecrow. Rather die, and she tight as my alibi air though. You the type that'll have me not rapping for pleasure to rinse and repeat, I don't care though. I'm after the guap, so I'm on a money mission on the block. Shotgun, top 5, dead or alive. She ain't for legends, said I'm the top one. She a dream come true and she know it. My story don't hold up, I know she gon' drop some. That's my BM and these bullets cold, but if you fuck with her then you catching the hot one. She got her own thing that she do, so when I'm in the store I know she working too. Getting the loot and the things that we do, she ain't telling us so that shit cute. She with me in the gym, you can pass me the balls off the rack. Pat a nigga back if you win the shack. If a nigga finna switch, yeah I need a that.
Welcome back to my channel. Y'all, today I got a little hair video. Excuse my hair. I did want to try this silicone elastic wig grip. I have seen this on Instagram. I don't know how many of y'all see on Instagram. But yeah, that's what I want to try today, y'all. The reason I want to try this because I am, first off, welcome. I did do the big chop, y'all. I should have recorded that, but I did not. Maybe I'll do a video on it later on. I did do the big chop, like showing y'all how like long my hair is now and how long it used to be. But anyway, I am trying to grow my hair out. And we all know when you're wearing these wigs, the what's it called? The got-to-be glue that you put on there, or I use got-to-be glue. I also use the got-to-be glue. I also use the bowl hold glue. And you know, it's efficient because in Vegas it's really hot. It gets really, really hot. But it be pulling my hair, and I don't have a big forehead, y'all. And I also do have a widow's peak. So like you can see my little edges are well, I got this when somebody braided my hair and ripped my hair out. So it's taken a long time to go back. But y'all can see my little hair. I don't have, you know, people usually put it like outside their hairline, like, you know, along the hairline a little bit, like an inch or so out. But I don't have a full head, so it's just gonna be looking like my wig sitting up right here, y'all. And I can't do that. So I did buy this. I want to try it. I'm hoping it's efficient and it works. Let me see how much I paid. I think this was $1.99, $5.99. I'm not sure. But I am going to be wearing this and see how that works. I do have a doctor's appointment today, so hopefully it do hold. I mean, it does have a Velcro, so I guess that's and this Velcro is like lengthy, so you can, you know, adjust how that is. I don't like the fact this is Velcro because this can pull your hair and irritate you. I get easily irritated because my hair. Because, you know, I just want to be comfortable with my wig. So this is my little wig, y'all. Remember my one I did that was pitch black? I'm gonna put that video that I did it in. I'll put that at the end of this video, letting y'all know, showing y'all which wig this is, because I did do quite a few. Let me try to get. This is the wig. I did re-dye, y'all. I wanted to do something different, so I did this little rogue. I think that's what they call it. It's like the rogue, like strip in your hair. So that's what I did, and this is a 13x6 wig. I'll put the descriptions on where I got this from, where I got the hair from, and all that extra stuff in the description down below. And to dye this wig, all I did was put bleach on this part right here. I just did like a part here, and then I put bleach on that part. I left the bleach on for probably, I don't want to say 30 minutes, but probably about 25 minutes. And that's how, because I didn't want it to be blonde, but I did want it to be just a brown, because like I did dye the hair black, so I wanted it to fit, look some type of okay. So this is more like a chocolate brown, you see, because if I would did it blonde with black, I don't think that those two colors would have fit too well. So yeah, now that I'm done talking, let y'all know what I'm got going on, let me go ahead and They said with this you don't need a cap on your head, but I'm gonna put one on anyway because I don't want my receipt so I can see how much I paid. So for this I paid $2.99, so it's not that bad. I got it from Luxe Beauty. So, and I also got these. You guys, they come in 5 now. I did not know that. How much I paid for these? Because this was a good deal. I paid $2.49 for this. So yeah, $2.99 and then $2.49. So it wasn't so bad. Yeah, y'all, they got 5 of them now in here, and then they have these darker colors they having now, and this is the natural brown. They have a lot of colors out here now, which I didn't know. Maybe it's just me late or whatever, but hey. Okay, so I'm just gonna put, and this said natural brown. That was dark. That's 2 different colors. They know they burnt out for that.
Don't matter what I'm going through. I chill at home with you or roll with you. Feel like I'm on when I be gone with you. Hey, I'm in the zone with you. Hey, don't matter what I'm going through. I chill at home with you or roll with you. Hey, feel like I'm on when I be gone with you. Hey.
This wig did not go as planned. It's not laid right. When I did this wig, I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. So my frontal on there is a bit loose, but I did do that in order to put the elastic band so that it won't pull too tight, because we all know those wig wearers out there, when that wig be too tight, just be like, ooh, you can't breathe, get a headache, it's just all bad. So I did go ahead and put on my other wig that I made, my ombre wig, and I've tried it with this. Let me scoot up so y'all can see. It's pretty secure, but in the video I saw, it's like you're not supposed to be able to do that. You know what I'm saying? So this wig does have elastic on it, so I mean, it's okay. The only thing that I don't really like about it is the color. Like, this is really lighter, like this, too bright. It's not my scalp color, but oof, I would not recommend getting this, y'all, unless you can find a darker color. Maybe I'm not wearing it right, I don't know, but I mean, from what I'm experiencing, you see that? And that he wasn't supposed to be able to do that. When I saw like it advertised, they're saying it don't move, and it's moving. So yeah, that's just what this video was mainly about, y'all, to show y'all the grip thing. This silicone wig grip. So I must say this false advertisement. This is false advertisement. Ugh. Anyway, I was hoping to put my wig on and be like, yeah, it's beautiful, it's going good, it's gripping. I don't have to, you know, put spray on my edges and stuff like that I don't want to do. But it looks like I'm gonna be spraying my edges still until I can find a different method here. I might just go ahead and buy some headband wigs. So, but I already got like 5-6 wigs here, so I got variety. You know, I'm a different girl every day with these little wigs here. This is still my absolute favorite wig. I'm gonna also put where I got this hair. This is the best hair out, baby. And the description on this hair too. I did dye this. I got the bathroom light on, so what you seeing? Let me see this side. I did dye this wig myself. a little ombre that don't even go right there. So yeah. Yeah, you guys, that's it for this. I'm disappointed. I'm sad. I only spent $2 on it, but still, it was supposed to be, you know, $2 to save my edges, and it did not save my edges. My edges don't feel saved. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And you guys, we're moving, so I'm gonna give you guys updates on that probably in the next video, and I'm gonna just start doing little videos of me decorating the new place and stuff like that. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye bye. All things be